Si te da tiempo, yo para ahora.
Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors. The name Velociraptor means swift feet. Not only are they fast, their bite is equivalent to a large American alligator. Yikes! That means we can't retrieve any lost items from the paddock once they're gone. I'm here to help keep you and your belongings safe during your raptor run today. To access a locker, you will use your park ticket. If your ticket is on your phone, see the nearest team member for assistance. Scan your ticket at the Velo station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to you. Entering lockers prior to riders passing through metal detection. Any larger items such as large backpacks, purses, and bags must be left with a non-rider or secured in lockers at the Discovery Center. Items can be checked at the entrance of the attraction to ensure they fit in the complimentary lockers at the attraction. Guests who cannot secure all loose articles in the upcoming lockers will be required to exit the attraction.
Care for and maintain these magnificent animals. And now, you can take advantage of the opportunity all this provides to see these raptors. VelociCoaster. Keys, wallets, phones, loose change, and smaller items must be placed in complimentary lockers prior to riders passing through metal detection. Any larger items, such as large backpacks, purses, and bags, must be left with a non-rider or secured in lockers at the Discovery Center. items can be checked at the entrance of the attraction to ensure they fit in the complimentary lockers at the attraction. Guests who cannot secure all loose articles in the upcoming lockers will be required to exit the attraction. For your safety and the safety of our rockers, all loose articles must be placed in lockers, including cell phones, wallets, bags, and loose change. To rent a locker, please scan your park ticket at a locker station that has a green light. Remember to keep your ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to re-enter the locker after riding. Remember to keep your park ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to reopen your assigned locker.
We'll be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink before placing it in the locker.